Hello and welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Today we're going to see a delicious and simple tomato coriander chutney. For the tomato coriander pachadi, I'm taking the fully ripened tomatoes for a good flavor. So make sure the tomatoes are in this nice sort of rich red color for a nice tangy flavor. Now wash these tomatoes and then chop them into pieces. I'm removing the stem area and then roughly chopping them because we're going to grind them anyway. So you need not spend all your time finely chopping the tomatoes. Now in a large pan, take 3 tablespoons of oil, add a quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and 1 tablespoon coriander seeds. Just roast them. To this I'm going to add about 6 tomatoes and about 6 garlic cloves. I'm also adding 6 slit green chilies here for the spiciness. Now if you don't want it to be very spicy, you can cut down on the chilies. To this I'm adding a tiny bit of tamarind because there's already a little sourness in the tomatoes. Mix this all well and now add a cup of fresh coriander leaves. Mix it all well and then add about half cup of mint leaves for a nice flavor. Make sure you don't add too much mint leaves because it can dominate the flavors in the pachadi. Mix everything well. Add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt and give it a quick mix. Adding the salt can quicken the cooking process. Now cover the pan with a lid and cook the tomatoes for about 10 minutes on medium-low flame. You can see all the tomatoes are nicely softened up. Turn off the stove at this point and transfer them to another bowl to let them cool down completely. So now I'm transferring the whole mixture into a mixer jar and grinding into a nice fine paste. I'm transferring this to a bowl now for tempering. I'm taking 1 tablespoon of oil to a tempering pan. To this, add about 1 teaspoon Chana Dal, quarter teaspoon Urad Dal, half teaspoon Cumin Seeds, half teaspoon mustard seeds, 4 to 5 red chilies, quarter teaspoon hing and a few curry leaves. Temper all the ingredients and transfer it to the pachadi. So there you go, here is this absolutely delicious and tasty tomato coriander pachadi which is ready to be served. Now you can enjoy this with some rice or with any tiffins like idli or dosa. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.